And here we are again. We are going to prepare Parmigiana di melanzane today, my grandmother recipe. We need for eggplants 250 gram of mozzarella, 100 gram of parmesan, 500 milliliter of tomato sauce. Wash the eggplant and cut them into 1 centimeter thick slices. Arrange the eggplant slices on a board and good sprinkled with salt in between the layers. Then we will leave the eggplant on the sink for about 30 minutes. They will be less bitter at the end. After that time, we will arrange on a towel and dry them. What is the story of the Parmigiana? Actually, a lot of regions in Italy claim the invention, and all of them could be true. Sicily, Naples, Puglia, Calabria, and of course Parma. Each region prepares its own version. The name has nothing to do with Parmigiano cheese or Parma, the city actually. But derives probably from the Sicilian Parmigiana, indicate the slats of food in the window shutters. As I told you, we will prepare today my grandma recipe. The original recipe is with fried eggplant, but we will actually pan-seared. So we put on the pan. On the side we prepare the tomato sauce that we will use to make the layers later on, and we grate the parmesan. When the eggplant will be ready, then we will prepare the layer. But we go back a bit to the story of the Parmigiana. The origin of the dish definitely uncertain. What is well known is that the aubergine, together with the custom to cook in oil, came in Italy and more precisely in Sicily, and that because I think the Parmigiana is Sicilian, around the 15th century, thanks to the Arabian, during the period of Arabian domination. Probably even the use of the seasoned aubergine derives from the Arabian custom. We just remind the Turkish moussaka. Make sure the eggplant are well cooked and tender. That is the secret of the Parmigiana. When you have all the ingredients, then we start to layer the starting with the tomato sauce, then we put the eggplant, and then the cheese. We have here actually mozzarella that they use in pizzeria, but you can use also the mozzarella you will find in a supermarket, no problem, or scamorza or pecorino or bufala if you want to. So you make a layer of eggplant, and then again tomato, mozzarella, parmesan cheese, and again eggplant. This until the final layer with the parmesan cheese. For sure, you have to bake on a preheated oven, 180 degree, about 30-35 minutes until golden brown on the top. Better if you prepare evening before or the same day, but in the morning, so to have the better taste. Once again, this is my grandma recipe. Do not start to argue. This is what I know about melanzane parmigiana. This is my preferred recipe. It's what I like and what I ate it also when my grandma prepared it. So the parmigiana is ready. Here we are. We will keep for a few minutes, for a few hours here, and we will enjoy later on. Thank you. Bye.